Assalamu alaikum, welcome to back our full Python course. In this lecture we will learn uh, string basics in Python. This topic is very important because we use the strings almost every program. So first I am talking about what is a string. A string is any text writing inside the quotes. For example, sorry, first I'll make the file. So I write here code here. So what is strings? A string is an text writing inside the quotes. For example, name is equal to Ali and city is equal to Karachi. So if it has quotes, it is a string. So a way to create strings, Python allows three types of quotes. For example, the first is this one, the second is like this, and the third is like this. Multiline strings, you can call multiline strings. So like this. So types quotes are used for multi-line text assisting character. Each character in a string has a position numbers called index. Index start from 0. So for example, text is equal to Python print text 0 and print text 3. So negative indexings, you can also access correct from the end, like text is equal to Python and if I print text -1, and the second is again print, I can write the text oh my god, it happened like here. So the -2, so this is the negative string indexing. Sorry, strings means taking a part of strings. For example, text print Python programming. So the Python programming, and if I print text 0.6 and the second is print 7 8 18. So string length, to find how many characters in a string, for example text is equal to print name. String repetitions, uh, print hi. So this is our Python course full in the uh, basic string topics. Thanks for watching. In if video enjoy in this class, like if you enjoy this class, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.